This is the guts of a Harbor Freight jump box. Item number 38391. Chicago Electric Power Tools jump start system. Little light, which is a hideously overdriven incandescent lamp that's designed to look like a halogen lamp, but it's not. The disconnect switch for the clip leads, and a charge level meter, which is just reading battery potential. So it's somewhat inaccurate. Inside there's the back of the switch, light, a auto resetting circuit breaker for the cigarette lighter receptacle on it, charge control board, and buried down in there is just a wall transformer held into the case with a bracket. That's fairly interesting. One thing that's weird about this is the battery. And if you've got very good eyes, you've probably noticed what that is, but you can see it says that it's a Sea Lake rechargeable sealed lead acid battery, part number FM12170D, 12 volt 17 ampere hour at a 20-hour discharge rate, and don't chuck it in the garbage, recycle it because it's lead. Durr. A Underwriter's Laboratory sticker, or mark, but it's MH26817. That is not a genuine Underwriter's Laboratories code. That is a code. Those are 4 characters, a mixture containing at least 1 letter and 1 number. And Ningbo Sea Lake Storage Battery Company Limited, www.sealake.com. Now it's kind of hard to see on this camera, but there are some little stress lines in the plastic. They only go down about 2/3 of the case. So if you listen to it, up here sounds solid, up here, middle sounds solid, on the bottom it's hollow. And if you can see it, right about there, the stress lines on the plastic, which is a natural artifact of the molding process, the bottom third of the battery is nothing but a spacer, just hollow. So, which means that it's probably, assuming they didn't use spacers in this, because I've seen a autopsy video of some of these really cheap batteries that Ain't Big Ain't Clever did, where some of the components in the cell were nothing but plastic spacers just to take up volume. So assuming that those are actually completely filled with active material like the separator, electrolyte, plates, and whatever, this is at most about an 11 ampere hour battery and probably a bit less. So, yeah. And of course, made in China.